Hi, my name is Rajesh Jyotishi, and today I'm going to talk about the three biggest questions that we get asked on an ongoing basis. How much life insurance should I have, and what type of life insurance should I be looking at? And should I try to buy my life insurance online? Answer to the first question, how much life insurance should you have? The general rule of thumb is about 5 to 10 times your annual salaries. Now, a lot of that can vary depending upon the amount of debt that you have and how big your family is. If you have a large family, and if your salaries are not as big, you may need a lot more in life insurance. But at the same time, if your salaries are very high and you have a very small family, and if your spouse is also working, then your need may be not as much as the other person. So once again, the recommendation is about 5 to 10 times your salary. And what type of life insurance should you have? Well, you have to remember there's two broad categories. First is term insurance, and the second is permanent insurance. Now, there are a lot of different types of life insurance policies that have come out in the market over the last 10, 20 years. Everything from whole life has been actually here forever, whole life, universal life, return of premium term insurance, index life insurance, as well as variable life insurance policies. I believe most people are better suited with just term life insurance. The reason for it is, well, first of all, it is much more inexpensive, and you can pick and choose how long you want the rates guaranteed, whether it be for 5 years, 10 years, 15, 20, 30, and nowadays you can even guarantee rates all the way to age 100 or even 120. So the question I always ask people is that, how long are you planning on keeping your policy? If you say, oh, I just want to keep a life insurance for the next 10, 20 years until my children are growing up, then obviously a 20-year term policy is a good choice for you. But on the other hand, if you say, no, I think I want to keep life insurance my entire life because I want to make sure my either children or grandchildren get a nice inheritance. Or if you want to do some charitable giving with your life insurance. If that be your intention, then you may want to consider some type of permanent insurance. Once again, you can use like a whole life, a universal life, or any type of permanent type of life insurance policy where your rates can be locked in all the way to age 100 or 120. So no matter what, you know that the death benefit is going to be there for your family when they need it. Once you decide on how much life insurance you need and what type of life insurance policy is right for you, the next question is, how do I choose the right insurance company? What we do is that we look at the ratings of insurance companies, and we also look at the underwriting requirements of each insurance companies. So when you call us up and say, hey, I am in this age group, this gender, but at the same time I also have a certain health condition, say diabetes, high blood pressure, I travel abroad a lot. Based on a lot of those questions that we would ask you, we would make a recommendation on which insurance company might treat you more favorably. So once again, it's ratings and underwriting requirements. Generally speaking, I think most insurance companies that have A+ or higher ratings are fairly safe. So that is one of the most common questions that we get asked on an ongoing basis. How do I choose the right life insurance company? So once we narrow down how much life insurance you need, what type of insurance you want, which insurance company you should go with. Final question I get asked a lot is, should I try to buy my life insurance online? Well, my personal opinion is the internet is a great place to do research in terms of finding the lowest rates and things, and we have all of those tools available on our website too. Our quote engine compares 175 different insurance companies to help you find the lowest rates. But I strongly recommend you talk to an agent. It is always a good idea to have a one-on-one relationship with a good agent or a financial planner, just to help you make the right decisions for you. Because what happens is that when you're online shopping at all these insurance companies, first of all, it's very difficult to know the difference between one insurance company and the other. Your agent can make the whole process for you much more easier so that your policy gets approved in a timely manner without much problems. Because once you get declined by one insurance company, next time you go apply, it becomes an issue in terms of you have to explain why did you get declined the first time. So by having a professional agent help you with the insurance process, it'll help you process your policies much more quicker. Until next time, this is RJ. Have a great day.